I, I'm fit as a fiddle. Thanks for asking, ma'am.
Mm. Okay.
How are
So,
you,
how was
ma'am?
your morning?
How-
Yes, you can call me Pavi.
My morning is today, Pavi. Okay, how is Pavi?
Yes, I'm also good, pretty good. Okay. So, how was your morning?
Okay. My morning's quite busy today. I complete my all household chores. Now, this is my study time.
Okay, nice. Okay, okay, ma'am, we will start with our introduction.
Yes, I am Shashikala. I am from Tamil Nadu. Now, currently living in Rajasthan due to my husband's job. I have two children and I am a homemaker. If I talk about my studying, I completed my bachelor's in computer science engineering. And last 2 months before I started my YouTube journey. So last week onwards, I posted conversation videos in my YouTube. This is
Okay,
a little about me.
okay. So, I will. What about hobbies?
Yes, my hobbies is I would like to read books and listen music. Sometimes I like to baking cakes and biscuits.
Okay, ma'am. So, I will tell a little bit about myself. My name is
Yes.
Pavitra. I'm from Tamil Nadu and currently I'm living in Chennai. I also completed my degree BE in computer science. After that, I worked as a data entry operator for more than 3 years. Now I quit my job. I'm focusing on my communication skill. And when it comes to hobbies, I enjoy reading books, drawing, gardening, and watching movies. This
Mm,
is a little bit about myself. So now
very
we are
nice
living in
introduction, ma'am.
Thank you. Now we are living in Rajasthan.
Yes, ma'am. I am in Rajasthan now.
Mm. So how often do you visit our hometown?
2.5 years once.
Oh my God, it's too long, right?
Like we in Rajasthan, like India only, but we most of the time we visit once in a blue moon because we are in like Americans. Because we don't when we want to travel that times we train is it will take around 3 days. So most of the time we book the flight ticket and after that we move it Rajasthan to our native place.
Oh my God, it's too hectic for you to travel, right?
Yes,
To
yes,
visit your hometown.
yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Yes, sometimes I miss a lot my family members, my mother-in-law house side and my mom's maiden home house side. So somewhere they celebrated some family function, na? That time I miss it lot, my family.
If it is sorry, you're traveling by flight, then how many hours does it take to reach your
Uh,
hometown?
we take uh, we take connected flight. That time also it will take 1 day, but direct flight is not available to Jodhpur to Chennai. Sometimes available. That is very expensive. So most of the time we book it in connected connection flight. So Jodhpur to Hyderabad, Hyderabad to Madurai.
Okay. Two flights you have to travel.
For 6 hours, 6 hours.
6 hours. So, how was your first experience on flights? Like, is it kind of nervous or fear? Is there
Yes,
anything?
I got first flight in 2011. That time I feel so excited like a bird. That time I feel I am a bird. So I fly in the sky. So that time when I saw that in between the clouds, so I feel enjoy a lot.
Mm.
Like
Okay, you
I
enjoyed a lot.
also yes,
Mm.
yes, I went to my childhood that time.
You went to your childhood. Yes, that is true. The view is totally different, right? Like, if you're
Different.
flying,
Yes, yes, yes.
yes,
Totally
if you're
different.
flying on flight, that views is different, and some kind of fear, any
Yeah.
sort of fear also we have while flying
Yes,
on
first
flight.
time the take off, na, that time what happened,
Mm.
ma'am, that it will give the some type of jerk. So that time
Yes.
we feel our under the stomach, we feel one type of feelings. So that will just only 1 to 2 minutes only, that fear. After that, we settle down that
Mhm.
environment.
Yes, yes. Yes, that is true, right? So, how is your practice
Yes,
going
ma'am.
on, English practice? You mentioned, previous
Yes,
session you mentioned you have been learning for 2 months, right? How is it going?
yes, ma'am. Is going very well. I'm practicing every day, but even though now also I miss any busy day, I miss it that day. So that day after I start to again, that time I feel oh, I miss my path. So every day I try to at least 10 minutes. Within a busy day, I try to 10 minutes. After some days, casual days, I minimum 1 hour I practice. Normal days.
Yes, the consistency matters, right? We have to be consistent on daily basis. So, good. So, what about reading? You mentioned you love reading books. This is your hobby. So, what kind of
Yes,
books
ma'am.
would you like to explore?
Yes, Bhavi. Yes, Bhavi. I read Sudha Murthy ma'am book. So Sudha
Mm.
Murthy ma'am narrate the story style. She always explained her lifestyle, life experience. So that time I also imagine the simultaneously ma'am what ma'am faced it really. So I go into that imagination. So
Mhm.
I also feel it, ma'am, because ma'am narrating style is really very simple words. She using the from heart narration from by their heart. So it's will very
Mhm.
connected to each common people
Mm. Yes, that is true.
because
Her language is simple
ma'am
and
also
lucid, ma'am. Mm.
yes, ma'am also middle from the middle class family, so we connected easily.
Yes, she is a nice, generous woman, right? She has a
Generous
lot of
person, women,
experience.
yes.
Yes, generous person. We can learn, we can read it. It is not too much complicated, and we can learn. As a beginner,
Mm,
we can start from that. Even though once we reach some level, also still now we can read her books. It's amazing. Yes. So,
mm.
how did you get the interest, like in cooking, like that, baking cakes and biscuits? It's not
Actually,
easy for everyone.
Actually, I share my experience because after first newly married time, I don't know even though which one is coffee, which one is tea. Because my
Okay.
college time, my friends only bought it coffee and whatever I wanted, my friends give me. So they gave me.
Mm.
So after marriage, I don't know how to prepare coffee and tea, but nowadays I take lot of interest. I do lot of practice nowadays. Whatever you questions, whatever someone asking me, I ready to cook that cuisines, that recipes. So I and
Okay.
our last 3 years before, my kids taken the outside of bakeries, cakes and chocolates. That time they got throat infection. So then on that day onwards, I start to learning the baking and the chocolate making process. So then
Yes,
after I
that
make
is
it
nice.
homemade chocolates.
That is nice. Actually, baking is now quite different from cooking, right? We should have the accurate, whatever it is, everything should be accurate, the time and the heat should be accurate. That is really nice. I think the
The
girls have
chemistry,
the,
yes.
yes, girls have the capability to learn after marriage a lot. I think so. Yes.
Yes. Our responsibilities are increased now, so we automatically we indulge ourselves. We want to learn. We want to do something with love of our family. We offer our family. So automatically it's a monotonous. It did not feel like a monotonous, but we enthusiastic do that. Enthusiastically we do that things.
So you never get bored of cooking. Every day, like what we can do today, you
Yes,
never think about it.
I only one thing is I'm more of the vessel washing only. I get
Okay.
frustrated when I want to do vessel washing. That time I deadly I frustrated. So sometimes
Mm.
50 members also I make it the preparation of rice whatever, but the
Mm.
vessels washing is very headache for me.
Mm. I'm totally opposite for you. I don't enjoy cooking too much, but I like to wash the dishes. That is one of my favorite jobs in my house. Even though I
Okay,
don't
okay.
like to wash my dresses too, but I like washing dishes. I don't because the soap I like to some kind of
Yes, yes, yes,
enjoyment.
yes.
Yes.
As I
Okay.
think you like my sister-in-law. My sister-in-law also do like that washing vessels. So
Yes.
maybe.
Okay, so I want to know, like, from India to Rajasthan, what is the major difference are you facing? What do you really like in Rajasthan?
Rajasthan is one part of our India, so different state in our India. So Rajasthan, we don't assess the lot of vegetables in Rajasthan. Especially only the summer foods are available. Summertime we can't assess the carrot like English vegetables. English
Mhm.
vegetables is not available in this place. We most of the time that desi like native our vegetables, village vegetables, you know, na?
Mhm.
Bottle gourd and brinjal, that type
Mhm.
of onion leaf vegetables. So that vegetables only available in this place. And
Mhm.
English like beans, peas is available in winter season.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
compared to Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu only 12 months we have only
All vegetables.
light, no, not vegetables. Weather condition is same, rainy and
Mhm.
not
Yes.
we don't have the winter season, but
Mhm.
Rajasthan have the winter and summer
Okay.
and rainy season. So
Mhm.
the winter season, this place available all fruits and vegetables like
Mhm.
orange color carrot, like a sweet
Mhm.
carrot also available in winter season. But our Tamil Nadu 12 months available in lot of varieties of bananas and whatever food we wanted available in. But this place, they never we never assess that type of fruits and
Okay.
vegetables.
Mhm. And what about
Summer season also
what about the life
yes,
environment?
yes, yes.
Like, how is the life? How is the people around us, around you? And what kind of education systems?
Yes,
Is there any different?
the education systems never beat in south side. It's now still compared to Rajasthan and our south people compared to this is 5 years back in Rajasthan only, because we reach in before we reach that much advantage in our south side,
Mhm.
improvement, but the Rajasthan is still people not that much level education is not important. These people not give the importance of education, but still nowadays the girls also come out their comfort zone. They learn lot of things. Most of the peoples this place have it Jain and Marwadis and some other caste. So Jain peoples are very well educated and Marwadis also very well educated, and some peoples in under education peoples and like this place our South Indians gives a lot of freedom to girls, but this place still the old traditional following.
Okay. So, what did you miss in your hometown? What did you miss in your hometown? Is there anything do you miss every day? Okay, jasmine flower.
Apart from family, yes, I jasmine flower, I miss it, and I miss our temples because this place
Okay.
have totally different. We never touch
Mm.
the Swami ideal, but this Rajasthan place, Shiv temples, lot of Shiv temples here, but the people touch the Shiv ideal. They touch it always, but in our
Mhm.
south side, we never touch it. Shiva. Most of the time, North Indian peoples touch the statues of God, but we never touch
Okay.
it. So that thing is totally new. And compared to the South and the North, the South Indians have South side have lot of temples in our place. But this place, okay, this place also have lot of Punita Sthala, but okay for that. We not familiar for this tradition, na? So okay
Mm.
for that.
Okay, nice. It is a different kind of culture you are exploring. That is really amazing. Would you
Yes,
like
yes,
any
yes.
favorites North Indian food? It is your favorite. You always
Yes,
try to
Anna.
try in your kitchen.
Okay, especially Rajasthan. Rajasthan place. This Rajasthan have dal bati churma. That dish
Okay.
is very famous dish for Rajasthan. Dal
Mm.
bati, and after that, I'm not only in Rajasthan. I'm all over India. Each 2.5 years once we roaming around all over India.
Okay.
So sometimes I stay in Maharashtra also. Maharashtra famous food is vada pav, and
Mm.
Rajasthan is dal bati churma, and UP is peda, mita peda, Agra. You know Agra?
Yes, I knew. I heard about it. Taj Mahal is that right?
Taj Mahal, yes, yes, yes. The
Mm.
Agra peda is that we white pumpkin, na? White
Yes.
pumpkin. So
Mm.
UP they made it a white pumpkin sweet. So that is very famous in Agra.
Mm. Mm. So actually, really nice experience you have, like traveling, roaming around the India, and then you will know about each and every state culture and the food and the language too. So how many languages do you know? I think, of course, you know Hindi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Of course, I know Hindi, and I passing level in Maharashtra and Marwadi, especially Rajasthan's people speak in Marwadi. So I passing level
Mm.
of understanding. And another one thing is I also understanding level in Gujarati. So
Mm.
Marwadi, Gujarati, and Maharashtrian people. So this language I know, and after that Telugu I know very well. I speak in Telugu at our home, and Tamil our mother tongue, write and read. So my schooling also done with the Tamil medium only. So Tamil,
Mm.
English, and that's Telugu, and Gujarati, Marwadi, Hindi. Hindi's writing level start now. Now only I started writing. So, and
Mm.
Malayalam little bit.
Okay,
These
all over the
languages I know.
language. I think remaining Kannada only is remaining. I think so. In
Remaining, yes,
Tamil
yes,
Nadu.
Kannadam only
Yes.
remaining.
Similar to Tamil.
Words and same to Tamil to Kannada.
Mhm. Yes, yes, because those are similar language, but it has some same kind of words too. Once we are listen to a lot of conversation, we are used to it. Especially the environment, if we have, we can easily learn it.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes, yes,
Would you
yes.
like to visit any foreign country? Any foreign
No,
country?
no, ma'am, no,
No.
no. I don't have it.
Just asking, would you like
Okay,
to visit
okay.
in future? Would you like to visit?
No, no, no.
No.
I like,
Why?
no, I don't have idea. I don't have
Hmm.
idea.
Okay.
Maybe I'm become a independent woman. Then after I plan it. Now I am a
Okay.
homemaker only, so I'm not doing any plan. Maybe I become a independent woman. That time definitely I plan it.
Hmm. Yes, I think why I said that because you traveled across India, so remaining foreign countries only there. If you have a chance, you can explore that
Yes,
too. That is again different kind of
definitely,
experience, right?
definitely I
Mm.
have wish. Definitely I have wish, but
Mm.
still now I didn't I does any I don't have any plan, but maybe
Mm.
future.
Yes, yes. If you get, how many hours do you spend in a day? If, for example, someone asking they want to get good communication within 2 months, so what is your suggestion for them?
No, ma'am.
What kind of
No,
timetable
ma'am.
they can
Within
follow?
2 months.
Mm.
Yes, yes. I also posted my channel, 30 days spoken English challenge. but I only completed 15 days because 30 days you get confident. Within 2 months also, because the English is worst top, like C. So we want to learn, we want to update every day. So we never achieve the fluency within 30 or within 2 months. We want to learn it, we want to upgrade ourselves. So that is very important. First, you get the confidence within 15 or 30 days. You start your journey. After that, you want to go extra mile. That is very important.
Yes,
But
that
another
is
one
true.
thing is,
Mm.
yes, ma'am, another one important thing is you don't compare to other, because they
Mm.
already completed some month, but we
Mm.
suddenly saw that person, we compared that person. I also wanted to speak this much fluency, but I am not, I am in the beginner level. So that comparison gives that of frustration and demotivation. We give up.
Yes, that is true actually. But human tendency, we have that, right? We have to compare ourselves with someone, because maybe they climb the steps around more than 10, but we are in standing in the first step, right? But we compare ourselves with someone else who are standing on step 10. So that is true. But we knew very well, but still we do compare sometimes. Oh my God, they are speaking well, but still I'm struggling. But it is time-taking process. We should be patient. That is what. Yes.
Definitely, ma'am.
Mm.
But compared to our Tamil language to English, Tamil is a tough language, but we learn Tamil, we enjoy it. The
Mm.
barrier is Tamil is our mother tongue, so we every day we have that circumstance surrounding. But English is not our language, so that is the time taken process. Definitely, we practice every day. Definitely, we reach our goal.
True. That is true. So, apart, after this class, what is going to do? How is your day looks like after this class? What are the things you have to accomplish within a day? Like, what is your routines look like?
Yes, after this conversation, I want to make it my video is recording to my YouTube channel. And after that, I prepare the lunch for my kids. And after I take rest for at least 1 hour. After that, only I start my routine.
Okay.
That is very important, na, ma'am.
Mm.
Once we
So,
feel fresh, again
mm,
we do it very active.
yes, that is true. So, have you ever create any solo videos like for your YouTube
No,
channel?
no, I am only posted in faceless video before
Mm.
because the reason is my family didn't give the permission for face videos. So most of
Mm.
the time I posted in faceless videos in my YouTube channel. First, I completed my conversation with Bona ma'am. So then after my family gives the permission, okay, you post it. So maybe in the upcoming days, I will try.
Okay. Is there any particular reason they are holding you back? Don't post your face on social media. Is there any
That,
particular reason?
that, the reason is the always social media, the family members saw the negative comments when especially for girls posted any women's posted any videos that comment the people criticize a lot. So that's
Mm.
the reason I have one you cooking channel, but then first corona wave after I totally quit my channel because of my health issues. So I quit it.
Mm.
But now the reason is the main part is the criticism, ma'am. People
Mm.
lot of do the negative comments, so that's the reason I never show my face first. But I want to come out my comfort zone. That's the reason I take
Mm.
this step.
Yes, that is true. Like, yes, of course, we have to face a lot of criticisms in the world. And I think it is their perceptions and the way they are, it's looking towards us. Like, for someone is criticizing you, it's their problem. Okay, if we can work upon that. So, for that, if you're standing behind, so nothing will happen, right? We have to go forward. We
Yes,
have to
yes,
keep
yes.
going. Yes. Mm. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. Yes, first I feel a fear of judgment first time. So then
Mhm.
after I slowly come out that fear. So nowadays I am very comfort. I feel very comfort.
Mhm. Yes, I think because we have the fear of judgment, as you mentioned, because of the people, maybe how they take it. Actually, taking step, it's again very difficult for us to even take single step to post a video, right? The first video, we have some kind of excitement. Simultaneously, the people will accept you or not the way you are, right? So I think
Mm.
it is
Yes.
up to us. We have to be consistent. We have to, what can I say, chase some kind of
Mm.
limit in YouTube. At least we have to go through 50 to 100 videos. Then you can easily find out the audience who are really enjoying your videos.
Yes,
But
yes,
it
definitely.
again takes times, I think. Takes time, but
Time.
once you get the
Yes.
audience, they will be honest with you if they really like you. Mhm. Okay. So shall we
Yes.
wind up? It's around 30 minutes. We will connect in future. It's a great
Yes.
conversation, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Yes, yes,
It's a great.
Bhavi ma'am, thanks for you giving this wonderful opportunity for me because once we lot of time try to each other, but we don't have that timing is not helpful for us. But today's I think this is our day. So thank you very much
Mm.
for this opportunity.
Yes, it is my pleasure. It is a good opportunity for me too. Yes. Then great day. Bye. Take rest.
Bye,
Have a
bye,
good
take
day.
care.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.
Take have a nice